This video is brought to you by Enjoy Life Foods. Hi everyone! Today is National Pancake Day, and any day that we make pancakes is a special day. So today I am spoiling my family and making a pancake breakfast board. I've made some epic snack boards, but I think this one is my kids' favorite. I loved getting some help from my friends at Enjoy Life Foods. All their products are free from 14 allergens and gluten-free. We always add Enjoy Life chocolate chips to our pancakes, so that is a must to add to our board. But they also have a variety of breakfast ovals with over 20 grams of whole grain, and my favorite protein bites, which have 6 grams of plant-based protein. They're so good whenever you need a quick way to fuel up on the go, so they're perfect to add to our board. And of course, we can't forget fresh fruit and your favorite pancake toppings. Now, I made a variety of pancakes, but if you need to make this easier, you can make my sheet pan pancakes and use a cookie cutter to make fun shapes. And the kids can help with that part. I hope you check out Enjoy Life Foods to make your National Pancake Day extra special, make a breakfast board, and enjoy.